Here she is, first shots through the Chiappa little badger. Break action 22. I'm gonna start it off with some of these CCI quiet cleans. These are like just a little over 1,000 feet per second. So just gonna see what she sounds like. Oh dude, that is ridiculous quiet. Let's try another one. We're just doing these for sound checks right now. Oops. Knocked one of them off there. Okay. Man. Okay. Next up, these are some of these CCIs. These are the 710 feet per second. So these should be pretty nice and quiet too. Oh my God, dude. That is ridiculous quiet. But we got some that are even quieter. Well, I'll do that one in a second. This is another one, CCI, 710 feet per second. Dude. All right. These are these Aguila Super Calibres. These are just the primer fired ones. These are 590 feet per second. So these should be spitball quiet. Dude, that is quieter than a pellet gun. Listen to that. Listen to that again. Like the hit, here it go. Damn, that is nothing. That's mouse fart. Okay, don't have long, so we will try a few more of these. Got that one. Let's see if we get lucky. I'm knocking these over. Whew. Not the fastest thing in the world, but boy, they sound good when they hit that son of a bitch, don't they? They do, they do. Okay, now we're on these Super Calibres. These are the super quiet ones. It didn't even knock down that it didn't even knock down that little 6-inch knockdown when I hit it. That's funny. Might have to hit it a couple times with these little bad boys. There we go. That knocked her down. Hell yeah.